All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to switch the aperture into automatic mode. Okay, so right here I have the Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to put it into automatic mode. Now if you look at the Leica Q3 barrel of the lens, you'll see that there's a lot of things going on. There's the macro option, you have the focus ring, and you also have at the end the aperture ring. Now you can adjust the aperture by simply going left to right or counterclockwise and clockwise, spinning it to adjust the type of aperture or the aperture that you want. Now, sometimes you want to have it into auto mode because you don't want to deal with that, or it's more convenient for it to be in automatic aperture, allowing the camera to automatically adjust the aperture depending on the settings of your camera. Now, in order to do that, what I'll do is I'll take my fingers and I will grip the ring right here, and if you can see, I'm going all the way up to 16 if I'd like, but I can also turn it clockwise, and if I keep on going clockwise, it goes down to 1.7, the one aperture that people really love about this camera. But if I want to get in auto mode, I'll keep on spinning it until it clicks into place for automatic, and that is indicative of the A, which is lined up with the dot right there. So it's in automatic aperture mode right there. Now, once it's in that, in order to get out of it, all you have to do is simply take the barrel, grip the ring on the aperture ring, and then click out of the automatic aperture, and then you can set the aperture to whatever you'd like, from 1.7 all the way up to 16. And that is how you put the Leica Q3 into automatic aperture mode and out of automatic aperture mode into manual aperture mode. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.